Guess what? I am jumping into a 90-day video challenge, and I hope you stick with me because I really would hope some of you would join me because I need help, guys. I need help big time. So I'll explain. Let's go. All right, guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but I haven't actually recorded on my channel a new video since early August, and the last few videos that you've seen have been recorded since then. So I actually took some time off from my business because it's been like 2 years straight I've been working and I didn't realize I had no time off. But to get back into things, the break was not that great because quarantine, I just stayed at home. But guess what? I did a lot of soul searching and figuring out what I want to do with my business and what I want to do with this channel. Let me get into why I want to do this 90-day challenge and what you can do to also do it if you want to really kickstart your business and take it to the next level. This can really help you. So let me explain how the 90-day video challenge will work. So first of all, I invite all of you to join me because I'm going to need help. And when I say I'm going to need help, I mean I also need motivation to make sure I stay on track to do this challenge. I don't want to quit. I really don't want to quit. Okay? So I need your help first of all. So if anybody want to join me, it makes me even strive harder to be a leader for all of you. So I will be there to motivate you and to help you. Okay? So this 90-day video challenge is not just for videos. It's going to be also, if you do blogs, you could do blog posts too, okay? So we're going to do one video or one blog post a day for the next 90 days, okay? So we're going to create very valuable content for people to see. Now, why do you want to create content? Okay, one of the biggest factor of making money online, and I'm talking about making serious money online, is that you do need to provide value to people, okay? You need to create content. You need to show people how you can solve their problems, okay? So that's why this is one of the best ways to drive traffic is by producing content, okay? I do a lot of free traffic, and this is part of free traffic. YouTube drives traffic, blogs drive traffic, and those are the two main ways that I would use to drive traffic for free, okay? Those are the two main. You know why? Because they're search engine related. They're search traffic. When you use search traffic, that's going to be the most targeted traffic that you can get to your business, okay? So that's the plan, okay? So you need to do one video or one blog post a day for 90 days. And when are we going to start this? Not today. Today is not the first day of the challenge, okay? Because I actually need time myself to get this going, okay? So I'm just as nervous as all of you thinking about how we're going to do this, but the 90 days, check this out. I picked Sunday to start the 90 days because that's going to be a very special day. It's the beginning of the week, and I don't want to delay too long because then it's going to go into 2021. So this is the date that I chose, and guess what? It lands on Christmas. So guess what? You could really, if you can do this, you will really give yourself a huge Christmas present by doing this challenge, not only for yourself, but for your business and for all the people around you that you love, who you're doing this for. For me, I'm doing it for my family. I'm doing it for my husband specifically because I need my business to a certain level now because I want to retire him. I need him to get out of his IT job so that he can pursue his dreams, okay? He wants to also do his own thing as well. So I need to take over the family finances. And so this is going to really kick off my online business to another level. And I cannot wait for you to join me because I'm going to be doing so many different things, okay? So why am I doing this? Am I crazy? Yes, I am crazy. I know that this challenge can really kick my butt to get moving, first of all, and it's going to build momentum, okay? I really need momentum. So when you're in an online business, when you take a long break, okay, or when you're just starting out, you don't have momentum. And I know about momentum because I've had it in my business many times, okay? And it's very exciting when you're riding high on this momentum. So I want to get that back. And having my time off for like a month and a half doesn't help my momentum. So I need to get my momentum back. So the first thing is why I'm really doing this is that I'm rebranding my channel, okay? I thought a lot about this, and what's happening is that a lot of my videos in the last year or so has been focusing on very quick methods to make money online. We call those make money online videos, okay? MMO videos, which drives a lot of traffic because, you know, when you have these clickbaity thumbnails that come up and people want to just make fast money online, you do attract a lot of audience and views to your channel and your videos. But guess what? They don't watch long. They don't subscribe. They're not really serious about working. Okay. So when they're not serious about really putting in work and actually building something worthwhile, then I'm going to get a bunch of people here on my channel that aren't really serious, and they won't digest or learn from me the way I want you to learn from me. So I am going to be doing a lot less of those videos, if any, but I'm going to be concentrating on different things. Now, the second reason why I want to do this 90-day video challenge is because I need to jumpstart my creative juices. Like I was saying, you know, not being able to create for so long, I think it was 6 weeks I took off. So it's been really hard to get back into it, I must admit. I've been on TikTok for a little bit, but it's not the same, and I need this 90-day video challenge to really get my creative juice going and get my butt working again. So I am a very hard worker. Believe it or not, I get lazy too. Okay. So this is awesome proof that I'm as normal as anybody else out there, and I'm not a crazy woman who just works and works and works. I do have a family. But I'm going to get myself into this challenge and make it really hard for the next 3 months. But I know that once I have that, then I'm going to start decreasing it less and less as I keep going. And I'm going to get to a point where I could get to maybe only 1 video a week. I don't know when that's going to be, but that is my goal, okay? So that's why I want to do this. And then the third is I'm going to be building new passive income streams that I hope it'll work out. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trying new things. I have no idea if it's going to work or not. I hope they do because I want that money. And if you like what you see, maybe you could do it alongside with me, okay? So again, you're going to have to wait until the first video of this 90-day video challenge to find out what these new passive income streams will be, okay? There are not going to be a lot of new income streams because what I have going already is a lot of things I got to do. So this is going to be extremely challenging. I actually don't know how much or how good I'm going to be doing this while doing this 90-day video challenge. So if you want to join me and find out how you can do this too, I would really love for you to join me. And if you do join me, come to my Facebook group and I will help you there to not only get content ideas, but to encourage you every day on there to see what you have produced and what we can learn from each other to get this 90-day video challenge going for ourselves, okay? So if you're a creator, you have an online business, or even if you don't have an online business, that's the thing, okay? If you don't have an online business, it's okay. You can start. You can start either a YouTube channel or a blog. If you need help with a blog, just go to workanywherenow.com and go to where it says make money with blogging. And then the first link under that menu is like how to start a blog. So you have instructions right there, okay? And for YouTube, if you want to start YouTube, you literally just start. I mean, you have a camera, you have a phone, use your camera and just start. And we could go into more of the technicalities of how to do it in my Facebook group. So I really hope you join me. If you do, it'll really help your business jumpstart, have a big jumpstart. I know for myself, I'm doing this for my business and I have to do this. I really want to do this and I hope you will join me. I hope you'll see my progress and I will have updates once in a while on how I'm doing, if I'm dying or not, or if I can even make it or not. So I hope you follow my journey and I hope you follow my whole journey to see if when I can retire my husband from IT. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video and share with anybody else who can actually or want to join the 90-day video challenge, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get all my videos that I'm going to be producing, and also hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos actually come out. I mean, they will come out every day, but I'm not sure if I'm going to have the same time or different times, okay? So I hope to see you on my videos, okay? Bye!